Don't get discouraged in this season, and don't be mad at the Father for how things look right now. He may actually be at the helm of it, but I think you know deep down inside what He is doing. And though it's uncomfortable and it doesn't feel good, I believe that I'm supposed to let you know that He loves you so much and so dearly that there are times where we will build things and He will allow those things to come to an end, and sometimes a screeching halt if all the pieces aren't in place, if the proper foundation has not been laid. And in this season, what He's showing you the building blocks, and He's allowing for you to develop, to personally develop in the areas that He is showing you that needed development. And He may actually be sending individuals into your life right now. And some people He's sending, you didn't know that it was Him sending them, but they have something that you need. They actually have something that you've asked God for. And because He works through people, He's sending that individual into your life. That's another building block. That's another avenue that He's putting in place, so that when things are rebuilt the next time, they'll be built on a solid foundation.